10 foods that help repair kidney damage effectively. The human body is an incredibly engineered system where each organ plays a vital role in maintaining overall health. Among them, the kidneys are the unsung heroes, working to filter waste, balancing electrolytes, regulating blood pressure, and producing essential hormones that keep the body in balance. However, the relentless pace of modern life, along with poor eating habits and certain health conditions, can place a strain on the kidneys, compromising their functionality over time. The importance of kidney health cannot be overlooked. Chronic kidney disease (CKD) affects the entire world, progressively impairing kidney function and significantly impacting quality of life. In this video, we will explore 10 foods that can effectively support kidney function and help repair kidney damage. Egg whites. Egg whites stand out for being a source of high-quality protein and low in phosphorus, which makes them a beneficial food for kidney repair. What sets them apart for kidney health is their low phosphorus content compared to egg yolk. Phosphorus is a mineral that, in excessive amounts, can overload the kidneys, especially in individuals with kidney problems. By opting for egg whites, you get the protein punch that will help repair the damage done without overloading your kidneys with phosphorus. Additionally, they are low in potassium, which makes them suitable for individuals with kidney disease or those on dialysis. However, for those with potassium restrictions, moderation remains crucial due to its minimal potassium content. In addition to direct consumption, egg whites can be used in various recipes as a substitute for whole eggs, reducing phosphorus intake and maintaining protein intake. Red bell peppers. In addition to their high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties, red peppers offer a variety of phytonutrients beneficial for kidney health. These include carotenoids such as beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, known for their anti-inflammatory and protective effects. The combination of these antioxidants helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, potentially slowing the progression of kidney disease. Additionally, red bell peppers are versatile in culinary applications, allowing for diverse meal options, while still adhering to renal dietary guidelines. Their vibrant colors, sweet flavor and crunch make them an appealing addition to salads, stir-fries or as a roasted side dish, providing flavor and nutrition to support kidney health. Skinless chicken. Skinless chicken serves as a valuable component of a kidney-friendly diet due to its high-quality protein content, along with lower levels of phosphorus and potassium compared to some other protein sources. This lean protein provides essential amino acids needed for tissue repair and growth without taxing the kidneys. The low-fat nature of skinless chicken makes it an ideal protein choice for individuals with kidney problems, as excessive fat intake can put a strain on the kidneys. Its lower phosphorus content is advantageous for those who need to limit their phosphorus intake, a concern for individuals with compromised kidney function. Additionally, the moderate potassium content in skinless chicken makes it a suitable protein source for individuals who control their potassium levels. Kidney beans. Beans offer more than just plant-based proteins. They are rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting digestive health and helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. The high fiber content helps control cholesterol levels, supporting cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to kidney function. Furthermore, the versatility of beans in cooking allows for a variety of meal options on a renal diet. They can be used in bean salads, soups, or as an independent dish, providing nutritional value and diversity of flavors. Their low sodium content makes them an ideal choice for individuals who want to control blood pressure and fluid balance, common concerns in managing kidney health. Red grapes. Red grapes, especially the skin, contain a polyphenol called resveratrol, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These attributes contribute to protecting kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially helping to maintain kidney health. In addition to potential kidney health benefits, red grapes offer a natural sweetness and refreshing flavor, making them a pleasant addition to the kidney diet. Whether eaten as a snack or incorporated into various recipes, red grapes provide a burst of flavor and potential health benefits, supporting an overall balanced approach to kidney health. Cabbage. Cabbage has an impressive nutritional profile, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber, although it is low in potassium. Its anti-inflammatory properties, combined with its low sodium content, make it a favorable choice for kidney health. Additionally, cabbage contains glucosinolates, compounds linked to reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, providing an extra layer of health benefits. Cooking methods can affect the potassium content of cabbage. Boiling it in water can significantly reduce its potassium levels, making it more suitable for individuals on strict potassium-restricted diets. Versatile in its use, cabbage can be prepared in a variety of ways: steamed, fried, raw in salads, or fermented as sauerkraut, providing culinary diversity and nutritional benefits for kidney health. Cranberries. Cranberries are widely recognized for their role in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, due to their ability to inhibit bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. This attribute indirectly supports kidney health by reducing the risk of UTIs, which, if recurrent, can potentially lead to kidney infections or complications. In addition to UTI prevention, cranberries contain several antioxidants and phytonutrients that benefit kidney health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Incorporating cranberries into a kidney diet through unsweetened juices, dried forms, or fresh fruit provides a tangy addition to meals while potentially supporting kidney health. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds with potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which are believed to contribute to the maintenance of kidney health. These compounds, especially allicin, have properties that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially benefiting individuals with kidney disease. Additionally, garlic's ability to modulate cholesterol levels and blood pressure can help manage complications associated with kidney disease, supporting overall cardiovascular health, a crucial aspect of managing kidney health. Incorporating garlic into various dishes introduces flavor and potential health benefits into the renal diet. Apples. Apples are known for their high fiber content, especially soluble fiber, which supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, the flavonoids and antioxidants present in apples contribute to reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially supporting kidney health. Eating apples with the skin intact provides maximum fiber content and nutritional benefits. From a crunchy snack to adding slices to salads, or incorporating them into cooked dishes, apples offer versatility and flavor while contributing to a balanced renal diet. Onions. Onions contain several nutrients and bioactive compounds that have potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, helping to maintain kidney health. Quercetin, a flavonoid present in onions, has anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit individuals with kidney disease. Furthermore, onion consumption has been associated with reducing risk factors for heart disease, indirectly benefiting kidney health. The use of onions in various culinary preparations, sautéed, caramelized, raw in salads, offers culinary diversity and potential health advantages on a renal diet. A diet rich in these 10 foods can significantly contribute to kidney health by providing essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet, along with adequate hydration and medical advice, can help with kidney repair, reduce the risk of complications, and support overall kidney function. Always consult healthcare professionals or registered dietitians for personalized dietary advice, especially if you are dealing with specific kidney problems or concerns. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.